Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a special recipe bubbling away right there for you. I've got friends coming over for drinks, so I always like to have some snacks other than my favorite crisps, of course. Just something crunchy, something super delicious, and something that doesn't take too much time and effort. So I am making a lovely, delicious fried cauliflower snack. I promise you, I did a recipe for cauliflower which was like a sabji, Indian sabji last week. But this is a completely different story. It's a snack, it's perfect for sharing, and you can also serve it hot, but also if it's been sitting on the table for a little bit, it's fine at room temperature as well. So let me show you what I'm cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get going. First things first, the cauliflower. So that's a beautiful looking cauliflower. You could use half of it, quarter of it. I'm going to use all of it because I want a lot of cauliflower today. So just get rid of the leaves and get to the florets. I'll just get the florets ready. So I'm just going to try and get a kind of bite-sized pieces. I don't want them very big because I'm going to serve it as a snack. So that's really big, and I'm going to like bite-sized. So that's like a perfect little snack. So the cauliflower is all chopped up and ready. You can use the leaves as well, the softer leaves from the inside with this. So I'm transferring all of this into a nice deep pan. Cover it with boiling water, not cold water, boiling water. Put a teaspoon of salt and then cook this for exactly 4 minutes. Not more, not less, just 4 minutes. And then while this is cooking, I'm going to prepare a very quick batter for this crispy cauliflower. So in goes 100 grams of corn flour, and I'm going to add 150 grams of rice flour for the crunch, and also a teaspoon of garlic granules. You can add fresh garlic if you want to do that. A teaspoon and a half of salt, and then a teaspoon of ground kind of roasted cumin seeds, and a teaspoon of chili powder. And the main thing is 2 teaspoons of rose harissa paste. The cauliflower is cooked. I'm going to drain this out and leave it on the side for a minute. Now I'm adding harissa paste because I absolutely love the bit of heat and the spice that it brings. In case you don't have it at home, you can use garam masala or some pesto paste if you have that. So I'm adding 100 ml of water just to check if that's enough or I need more. I'm adding another 100 ml because the 100 ml wasn't enough. What I want is a really kind of thick but not too thick, not too watery batter so that the cauliflower is coated really well. So in total I've added 250 ml of water, and this is the batter should be perfect amount for the size of cauliflower. So look at the consistency. It's super flowy, it's beautiful, but it's not watery. It's still got that slight pastiness to this. So in a kadhai or a pan, heat up some oil. I usually use sunflower oil for any kind of deep frying. That's just standard what I use always. So to check if the oil is ready, just add a few drops of the batter. It sizzles up straight away. So I'm going to take one piece of cauliflower at a time, dip it in the batter, make sure to remove the excess batter from the cauliflower, and then it goes straight into the hot oil. Now this is something that is cooked on high heat, only medium to high heat. This is not cooked on low heat. If it's the oil is not hot, or if you cook this on low heat, it's going to absorb a lot of extra oil which we don't need. After 2-3 minutes, I'm going to try and turn this over because we want to cook both the sides. It does have a tendency to stick together, so be extra careful because obviously the oil is very hot. Be extra careful when you are trying to turn this around because you would want to break up the cauliflower pieces and then very carefully turn them over. This in total takes around good 5 to 6 minutes to crisp up and get a beautiful golden color. And now you can see it's been the time and the cauliflower pieces are looking absolutely glorious. I have to say, they look stunning. So I'm gonna get these out on some kitchen paper. Just if there is any extra oil, it can absorb it because it's cooked on high heat. It actually, you'll see after I've cooked all of them that the oil quantity hasn't gone down, which means that it hasn't absorbed too much oil. And I'm just gonna break open one of these. Oh, absolutely beautiful. The inside is stunning as well. And here is the crispy cauliflower ready. I am going to finish this with lots of sea salt and a little pinch of chaat masala, which is obviously optional, but I promise it makes a big difference to the flavor. And here it is. I can just say that the kitchen smells amazing. If you're a cauliflower fan, you are going to be in food heaven. I promise you that. So, without waiting any more longer, I'm gonna. So, can you see? Can you hear how crunchy? Every single piece is super crunchy. Wow, that is so good. Can I just say, this might be the best cauliflower snack I've ever made on this channel. And I would like to know your thoughts. So try it and let me know in the comments below. That is cooked inside because we parboiled the cauliflower. The outside layer, the marinade, is crunchy throughout. So not just crunchy on the outside, but the crunchy on the inside. And then the cauliflower is super soft. That is magical. You know I love food, but this is next level. Sorry. It's going to be so hard to control myself and not eat it all by myself before my friends come. But I hope you try it. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. This, double thumbs up. Amazing. Safe to say, my friends and I absolutely love the cauliflower with some drinks and a good old catch up.